think we can salvage any of this chassis.
The engine's gone, that's for sure.
Body panels are shot. Look at this rust.
We've got a tricky one here.
Yeah, that back wheel's right on the edge.
Let's see what we're working with.
All right, that should hold it. Double check your side. All good here.
Okay, bring it in slow. A little to your left. Watch the front end.
Yes, we need a tow for a vintage Bugatti. It's the Type 57 Atlantic.
The front bumper is damaged.
Let's start with the engine, then address the bodywork.
Agreed. The interior needs a complete overhaul too.
Look at the state of this fender.
This door panel needs a complete replacement.
We have a lot of work ahead of us.
Yeah, this rust is pretty bad.
Look at this mud buildup.
Looks like this part needs attention. Agreed, let's get a closer look.
Check the fluid levels too.
The chassis seems solid enough, but this bodywork.
Look at this rust here. It's gone right through in places.
Chassis seems solid enough, but this bodywork.
Look at this rust here. It's gone right through in places.
All right, that should hold it. Double check your side. All good here.
Is the pressure right on this one? Is it? Looks good. Let's check the alignment next. All right, that should do it. Looks perfect.
Great job holding that steady.
Nice work, team.
Almost done with the dashboard. The leather on these seats is incredible.
Yeah.
Just finishing up the door panel here.
Transcription. There's a small patch here.
There's a small patch here. Looks like some early stage surface rust.
Rear strap secure. Midsection locked. Front is good to go.
Perfect. She's ready. Absolutely stunning.
Masterpiece.
Okay, easy now. Bring it in slow.
Just a little more to your left.
Watching the clearance here.